Alright, so let's create the railings on the second floor. You should have already created the stairwell or the staircase right here. Let's go ahead and create the railings on the second floor. We also want to create a diving board. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. Actually, I'm going to use the pencil tool. Choose any area that you want. If you want to be exact, go ahead and measure it out. I'm trying to be quick on this. Pull it up just a little bit. As you pull that up, you want to take the pencil too and go straight across in the bottom. Once you do that, pull it out. I'm just going to say 5 feet. I think that'll work out perfect. Alright, so then I want to go to the side here, go get my rectangle tool, and I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to just say 6 inches, comma, 6 inches, enter. And you'll notice, right when I did that, I didn't put my cursor down here. I just started typing 6 inches, comma, 6 inches right away. You have to do that. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this up. I'm going to go up 6 inches as well. So as I start pulling up and I stop, if I go down and if I pull this up, watch, and I stop, I'm going to type in 6 inches right away, and it's going to make it 6 inches. Okay. On here, I'm going to go right to the middle. I could measure that out, but I didn't. Find the blue axis line. As I'm going up, I'm going to stop, and I'm going to go up 3 feet. Look in the bottom right-hand corner. There you go. Hit escape. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to highlight this, and let's make this a component. So I'm going to right-click on here, make a component, and I'm going to call it railings. Okay. I'm going to choose any. I'm going to hit OK. Alright, so now we're going to take that component and we're going to move it all the way over. So I'm going to, first let me select it. I'm going to move it over. If you've got a Windows computer, you would use Control. Mac you're going to use Option. As you can see, I made a little mistake over there beforehand. I didn't delete that. I'm going to hit Option right there. And I'm going to say /20. I'm just guesstimating there. Okay, perfect. And then what I can do is I can also do it on this other side. So I'm going to go to my components. I'm going to move the components over here. Click. Awesome. Now I'm going to move it over. I'm going to say Control for Mac. I'm going to select it off to the side, and then I should be able to move it over. Let me select it one more time. Follow the green axis line. Perfect. Let's see, Option for Mac, Control for Windows, /, I'm going to say 15. Really what I should do, I should measure in between just to kind of get an idea. Alright, so once I do that, I'm going to, well, first off, before you guys did it, you probably want to do another railing on this side too. Let's see. Let me orbit around. In fact, we can kind of make like a little wall on this side and get kind of creative there. So let's do that. So let me use my hand tool, and then we're going to take the circle tool. There we go, perfect. Actually, let me get inside of here. Now I'm going to take this circle. So you double click to get inside of there. Let me do it again for you. So what you want to do is double click on that first component. You're going to take your circle tool, zoom in, make a small circle, perfect. Notice that there's circles on all of them now. Then you want to take the follow me tool, Now first off, we want to take a line first, sorry. Create another line from this to this. And then you're going to do the follow me tool. We're going to go all the way up and over. Perfect. Now let's go over here and see what that looks like. Use my hand to look at it. There you go. Now what you want to do is, you can tell this is right here, right in front of the diving board. We don't want that, so we're going to click on it, right click, so select it, then right click, and we're going to explode it. And then when we explode it, we're going to double click that first part, and we're going to hit, nope, we don't want to hit delete. Let's go, let me see if I can highlight that. Hit delete, perfect. So I just highlighted, I hit delete, use my eraser. Then what you want to do is you want to double click inside of here, and let's just pull that out. Perfect. I'm going to take my cursor or my selection tool. That looks much better there. Use the hand to go over. Again, here's you can do the exact same thing on this one. Actually, I'm not going to get inside. I'm going to select it. I'm going to right click, explode it. Then I'm going to highlight that again. And I'm going to delete, erase it. Perfect. And that looks good right there. The next video, we're going to create just a wall. We're going to get creative, create a wall there, create a wall here, and then we're going to create a swimming pool right here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.